Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hold on, I think that's great. Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about this question right over here. Nothing that I want to talk about, like I want to solve it or anything like that, but I want to discuss something else. Guys, there's how do we maintain rotational equilibrium, or let's just say, how do we maintain a zero external torque, torque on both sides being the net torque being zero. That's way better to say. So how do we maintain a zero torque, all right, when we have two objects, okay, like something like this, two objects, they have different forces. So this is 50 newtons, whereas this one is 150 newton, all right, guys. How do we go about maintaining rotational equilibrium? How do we go about, the net torque being zero? Guys, like I told you, and I'm pretty sure you already remember, hold on, torque is F times D. Now, this is F times D. So it depends on both the force and the distance. Guys, I cannot change the force. It's stable, right? So I instead go and focus on D because I can change this, but I don't change that, okay? Because force, we're talking about Earth, we're talking about the same location, and if we were to compare their masses, obviously the mass of this one is more. But mass is an intrinsic property of the object. It's not going to change. So I'm not going to focus on changing the mass, but I'm going to be focusing on changing the distance. So, guys, to maintain rotational equilibrium between a heavier and lighter object, the way to go is putting the heavier object close to the axis and the lighter one away from the axis. This is because torque can be changed in two ways. Like I told you, mass I don't change, force I don't change. I will focus on the distance. So the lighter object's torque can be made more by increasing the distance, and the heavier object's torque can be made less by decreasing the distance, so towards the axis more. So that's just how it became common sense in my head. I mean, it's pretty easy to know, but that's how it became common sense. Anyways, bye.